Now let's continue to talk about asking good questions, but this time we're going to focus on another aspect of questioning, and that has to do with the kinds or the types of response, or even the number of responses that could be considered correct. So these are divergent and convergent questions. The distinction between convergent and divergent is whether there is a single or accepted correct answer. Convergent questions may expect the student to repeat some kind of conventional wisdom, some fact that's in the textbook, some terminology, or some framework. Divergent questions often require new creative insights. All right, an example. The professor asked, according to our textbook, in what ways does the present welfare system solve the problem of poverty? As a convergent question, the range of acceptable answers is now determined. The student has to give this answer according to what was in the textbook if the student is to be considered correct. All right, let's take this question. What are some of the ways in which our country might solve the problems of poverty? This is considered a divergent question, because now there is a wide range of acceptable answers, and many of them are possibly correct answers. Some answers to divergent questions may be more acceptable than others in terms of logistical, or in terms of logical consistency, in terms of synthesis of data, or solutions of major aspects of the problem. But the major advantage in asking a divergent question is that the task they set for the student is to think about an issue or a problem, and not to discover the correct answer.